Hello friends, welcome to Learning Tricks. Today we will draw some lines in our Word document to make it more presentable and different from other documents. Lines can be used for different scenarios, like we want to separate two topics, we make it unique, we make it more presentable. Let's start. If we want thin line, just press 3 times minus 1, 2, 3. 3 times minus, just press enter. You got the thin line. We need thick line, just press underscore 3 times 1 2 3 3 times underscore, just press enter. We got thick line. Now we want how to create a double line. 3 times equal sign, just press enter. You got the two lines. Now I want three lines together, just press shift and 3 number sign, 3 times number sign, just press enter. You got 3 lines. Now I want design line. There is some design, just press title 1 2 3, just press enter. This is a new design. Now I want dotted line. How to create dotted line? Just press shift and multiply sign. 3 times multiply sign, you can also say that the star. 3 times star or multiply sign, just press enter. Now you can see that how we can create these lines quickly with using these shortcuts. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.